Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I'm thrilled to present to you today on the topic of descriptive text. Using the engaging framework of the Wordland game, the presentation will explore descriptive text, the playful and interactive element inspired by Wordland. Previously, let me introduce our group members who are my name is Lina Lailatul Badriyah with ID number 20, Salma Nabila with ID number 22, Muhammad Surya Dwi Putra 21, and Wildana Srilikam 23. Disclaimer: we sincerely apologize for the change. We have switched from playing well to Wordland game because another group was already using it. And then material convert. Material is descriptive text, specifically vocabulary used to describe people, animal, object, place, food, adjective, or appearance and personality. Students practice using descriptive vocabulary in simple, meaningful sentence, suitable for junior high school learner, building basic descriptive writing skills.
Okay, next slide. I will explain about our manual teaching tool. So we created Wordland, a Monopoly-style board game adapted for vocabulary learning. So the first is each block on the board represents a descriptive category or task. So each square has a specific theme, helping students know what type of vocabulary or description they need to produce when they land on it. And second is the game encourages active learning, teamwork, and spontaneous language production. So students don't just memorize words, they use them in context collaborative with peers. And speak spontaneously without relying on written text. The third is when student lands on a block, they must provide vocabulary. Student mention word related to the category of that block, and then complete descriptive challenge. Describing an object, answering a prompt, or giving example based on a category, or create simple descriptive sentence. And then create simple descriptive sentences. Describe an object or situation according to the theme of the block. Okay, the next slide will explain by Surya.
Okay, the next slide is development steps. The first is selecting the material. We decided to focus on descriptive vocabulary. The team decided to focus on the learning content specifically on descriptive vocabulary. The second is choosing the game type. Considering spinner, card games, and bingo. We chose Monopoly format allows movement, text, and variety. They explain. They considered options like spinners, card games, and bingo. Ultimately, they chose the Monopoly format because it allows for movement, text combinations, and variety in gameplay. The third is designing the board, creating Wordland layout, setting vocabulary categories for each block, and designing chains and challenge card. This explain the steps involves creating the layout for Wordland, determining vocabulary categories for each block, and signing the chains and challenges card. The fourth is preparing materials. The thick cardboard, dice or beyond, printed or handwritten text cards. The 5 is creating the board. Design and print the board and also draw and color some parts of the board, cutting and assembling text cards, buy or make some dice and pawns. And the next is testing the game, checking if the rules are easy to follow and also adjusting text for clarity and difficulty. The final quality check to ensure the rules are easy to follow and to adjust the clarity and difficulty levels of the text. Okay, the next slide will be to explain with my friend Mbak Salma.
Alright, the next is current development stage. So, in what stage are we now? In our group, for the board concept, for the design and coloring, also it's on processing. I mean, like I already made for the raw design for the board game, and it's still on process. And the concept is already done. I mean, like we already made like what are the shape that we will made and the tools that we will use. And then the challenge and the change card we're still processing because it also made after the design and the coloring. Pawns and dice are prepared, so we will buy some pawns and dice. And then the role testing is still in progress because we need to finishing our design and also coloring and all the tools that we have to make. And for the teamwork and collaboration, I will explain that our team worked collaboratively and from the concept until the development in our stage right now. And for the responsibilities, we're divided clearly from the board design, in the card creation and material preparation, slide making, and video recording. For the board design, for some of our team, we divided into 4. Like some people made a board design and card creation, and then some people like Alina or maybe Surya will made a material preparation, and then for the slide making and video recording we made it together. And then for the communication, we usually communicate through the group chat WhatsApp and also meet up when we have like a class. Maybe that's it. I will give it into moderator.
Okay, that's all we have to present. Thank you and thank you very much and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.